Hey my beautiful fairies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. I'm about to tell you guys all about this 2.0 version wig I made with Wowafrican. But first, make sure you girlas like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell, and share this video before we get started. Also, make sure you guys check out my most recent video with the bae cutting off their locks because it's good content and it's so cute to watch. So you guys remember I said in my last video that I wanted a wig that looked as close to my natural hair and hairline as possible, and me and Wowafrican definitely did that. This was the first version of the wig and it got a lot of mixed initial reactions. You know, some peeps was feeling it, some of the Girlas offered better ideas that we could do, but all of your thoughts did not go unnoticed because we took all of the feedback and created Laurasia 2.0. Honestly you guys, I'm so happy with this wig. I feel like we did a really good job on all the improvements. Just like with the original natural baby hair and texture wig, it offers 13x6 HD clean lace, which is really just a stronger version of regular HD lace and lasts a lot longer. You can see the comparison of the first wig and now this more improved hairline, and it looks so much more real and believable. And honestly, we are only going to get better. So I've improved on so many techniques and just learning how to work with a wig like this one, because as you can see, it's not your typical wig. You want to start by combing the baby hair backwards and cutting the lace a couple of centimeters behind the hairline to make the hairline seem not as perfect. And as for the sides, you can just cut right in front of the lace. Now I'm going to install this wig using some of my favorite products currently, and as far as lace spray, I highly recommend to use either the Even lace spray, which I have a ton of videos on, or this lace spray I'm using in today's video, because neither will cause stickiness to the lace or get on a baby hair to ruin this masterpiece. Now the lace spray in this video I am using from Snob Life, and I do have an initial reaction of me using this lace spray for the first time on my channel already, so make sure you guys go and check that out. But I'm also going to be doing a one product only type of video coming up very soon, so definitely stay on the lookout for that to see just how far this lace spray can go.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for so wanna be together, babe?
Now, the way I got this hairline to look so believable and so real as possible, I just took about a couple of inches forward from the beginning of the hairline, and I just did a little bit of plucking in the front of the hairline. You definitely don't have to do all the steps that I'm doing, but this is just a little bit more of an advanced way of how to get your hairline to look as real as possible with a hairline like the curly baby hair. And I just want you guys to know, practice makes perfect. Honestly, I've been doing wigs for probably about 5 years now, and I just got this good. So take my story, you guys, keep practicing, and I swear you'll be so excellent at this.
I don't wanna push you further away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for?
So So to finish off this install, instead of me going in with that Snob Life spray one more time, I'm going to use a more melting lace spray that's not super sticky. Like I said in the beginning, you do not want anything that is super sticky because it will be a mess on this baby hair. Trust me, y'all. And then I'm going to go in and just doing a little bit more detailing with plucking, or just putting some of my makeup powder on my hairline just to blend it in a little bit more with my makeup. And y'all, this is poppin'. I was loving this. I could not stop looking at it. I'm telling y'all right now, I went out to Ulta after I finished this, and this lady actually asked me how long it took to grow out my hair because my hair was so beautiful, and I had to tell her, honey girl, this is a wig, okay? So I have a little treat for you guys coming up in like my next 2 videos. I'm going to be doing an updated ball cap method, and I'm going to teach you guys how to hide the lace grids on the lace with a new method. So definitely stay tuned for that, y'all. But to do just like kind of how I did in my last video for the curly baby hair, I'm going to use the �𝐤𝐠 holding spray. I believe she still has this on her website. If so, I will link it down below. But if not, just use a kind of not super sticky but holding type of spray just to hold down those curly baby hair. We don't want it slicked down with gel. We just want it laid down because I am going to be using a hot comb later on, but I just want to lay them down just to prepare for the hot comb.
For someone new, I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better? Now that you've broken my trust,
Now I just went ahead and finished off with my makeup, and y'all, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, the reason I was gone for so long was a couple of like really important things. I'm gonna wait for my next video because I'm letting you guys know my PCOS vitamin routine that I take on a daily basis, but I'll also be explaining why I've been gone for so long. But to add on to that reason, it's really because I had the worst hormonal breakout in life, and I just did not want to wear makeup for that period of time, and it literally took a month to pretty much go away to how it looks now. Maybe in like another month I will be doing a skincare video because all my skincare has changed, and it's also affordable as well. So if you guys are interested in that video, definitely leave a hoorah in the comments for a skincare video. But y'all, that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys really loved this wig, loved this video, loved the music, loved everything about this video. Also, let me know how you guys like the new and improved hairline. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more uploads, as well as watching all of my most recent videos. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you.